Hi, my name's Sturt. I work for Dick's Engineering, which is a local engineering firm in Renmark. So in the last 2 weeks we've been doing the bridge works.
The objective of today is to reinstall the gearbox on top of the bridge and have the bridge fully functioning, being able to go up and down as required.
These works have included refurbishing the gearbox, replacing a lot of the handrailing, fixing the boom gates and lights, and we also repaired the bearing deck. The bridge is going to be in good working condition for a long time to come.